Alright, Natalie, be quiet! Okay, so the last thing is Frisbee. Whenever she gets locked in somewhere with no one else, she'll get all sad, so she's like, oh boy, am I coming out, master? But then I kind of closed it on her. And she's like, oh no, master, please don't leave me. Frisbee, do you want to come out? So I'm going to kind of act like I'm just walking away. Let's see. Can I get my camera so that you can see her? And I'm just going to simply walk away. No, ma'am. She's too cute.